Hey everybody, it's Wednesday morning. I don't know exactly what time it is, but I just got home from work. I was gonna do an update video Saturday on the progress I made on the car, but I never got around to it. I pretty much gave up around 9:44 that night after struggling with a part on the car, trying to get it on the car that wouldn't get on there, just to find out that the part that I was trying to put on there was the wrong part. Because I was basically trying to put everything back on the same way it came off. Let's see if I can find that part. I don't know what I did with it. It might be in here. There it is. Okay, I was trying to put this part here on this part right here. And because it's the same part that's literally right there. So, but it didn't fit. The neck on this bearing didn't fit high enough to get the cotter pin in there. So I went to AutoZone thinking I bought the wrong ones, just to find out I had the right ones. I just had them in the wrong order because I was following how this was set up on here and whatnot. Because like I said, I bought this car back in I think I've been having the car like 8 or 9 years, somewhere around there. And the previous owner did a lot of crappy work to the car, stuff I never really looked at. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic, so I didn't know to look at it to see if everything was done right. I just saw the car, had what I want on it, and I bought it from the dude and whatnot. Basically, I got one of my lowering springs in there. It lowered. You can see how much higher up it is and whatnot compared to the other side. I'll show the other side in a minute. I got the upper control arm on there. I had problem with the two nuts on there, nuts and bolts on there. They were seized there real good. Heat them up a couple of times. They still didn't break loose. I had to put a little elbow grease in there and do some pulling and stuff. So when I finally got them to give and got them up out of there, and got the new one on there. Got the hub wheel assembly and the rotor back on there, but I forgot to put my dust shield in there because the dust shield got a little appendage that sticks out on it that holds my brake line in place. So I got to take all this back off and put that back on there, and so on and so forth. But I was gonna do a video on the progress, but since I was having such a hard time doing everything, I didn't make the video. But there's a couple of nuts. You can see there's a bolt down here. You can see it. And let me see if I can get it to light the view up. And see it? Oh, see it right there. This light ain't crap. Oh, there it is. You can see it. See that bolt right there? Right there. There's two of them in there. And the position it's in is in a weird, awkward position and whatnot. I had a hard time getting out. I had to actually take my alternator off. I had a bolt that wouldn't come out. That is right here. It wouldn't come out, so I ended up having to saw it off with my handheld, what do they call it, grinder? Yeah, I think it's a grinder or something like that. Cut it off, get the alternator off. Have to remove this hose right here to just to get that out of there because it had no room to move the wrench or anything like that. So on this side, you can see I haven't done anything yet. Still the same way. You see how much more space there is where the spring is at between the upper and lower control arm and the strut. Now these are brand new. I just put these on there when I was trying to fix it the first time. And it looked like they've been on there for a while, but and so on and so forth. But you can see that one's straight. And the one that's curved is up there. But you can see I got the dust shield still on there. I got to put back on the side and whatnot. But it was a lot of work for that one day. A friend of mine was supposed to come over this weekend and help me out with it, help me lower the bottom end, get the bottom end out of there, and take all that stuff loose. And he said it's gonna be easy work. Do the back end first. But that's pretty much it. So if you like my videos, have any questions, hit the like button and subscribe. Because I'm not done with this car yet. I got a whole lot more I'm going to do to it. I'm going to do some engine modifications and some other stuff before I send it off to the paint and body shop. All right, y'all have a good one. Holla back.